Welcome to Boxer's Vlogas. This is where I share my almost daily life with my husband. We have 4 boxer dogs, 2 cats, many goldfish, 2 grown children, a son-in-law, and 2 grandchildren, and 1 step-grandchild. And I like to share my DIY projects, cooking, and my lifestyle. It's just me. It's Minecraft my way. Thanks for watching.
What, Mr. President? What? What does it mean? Oh, is it the destruction of us? Of the fall? Of the MSM and Hollywood tentacles?
And he's like, this is the calm before the storm.
Good morning. I had finished this painting, and when I put it on Facebook, I was amazed at how many people liked it, and I'm glad. It's still pretty chilly here in Wisconsin. It's coat and mittens and hat weather, but it's nice to get outside and enjoy some of it. This is Mindy, our little boxer girl. She's about 12 years old, and she even went outside today for a little bit. Sneaker, are you sure you don't want to go in? I'll let you in the house. If you want to go in. What do you think? Okay, are you ready? You want to go in the house? No? You want to watch the cars go by? Okay. All right. I don't know why that bus turned around out here, but I guess it forgot to drop a child off. Good morning again. I hope you're having a good weekend. Today is a good day to wake up and have an omelet. It's pretty chilly out, but I do plan on going out later today. But my husband and I was at Menards last night, and we picked out some flooring for our kitchen, so I'm pretty excited about that, and I'll show you what that will look like. It's kind of funny how we picked our flooring out. They were closing in about 20 minutes, so I ran over to the flooring department and looked at everything, and then when my husband got there, I said, do you like this and this? And we did a price check on everything, and we picked it out, and I couldn't believe it. That was a record for us. Usually we take many days to pick something out. Luckily, we were talking about what we liked, so when we went out there, we saw some, what we both liked, picked it out, went home, and asked our son if he will install it, and he said he would. So thank you, Paul, and I can't wait to get the new floors installed. One, two, three, four, five.
Okay.